Hey, I'm Ryan with the Talos Tech team, and here we have the T60X, and I'm going to talk about the components of it. So here, these large dinner plates are the motors. This is a quadcopter quad motor design, and each motor can carry up to 128 pounds, but that doesn't mean this can carry up to 400 pounds. Now, moving on to these large modules here, these are the ESCs. These are designed to be kind of large, thick modules just because it allows for more fins and allowing for more heat dissipation. All right, now moving on to the front of the drone, these two antennas right here, these are the RTK. They are meant for pretty much communicating with the satellites. And this in the center is the active phase radar. So there is one in the front and one on the landing gears in the back. Moving on to this module, this is the binocular vision. It's also meant for obstacle avoidance. Overall, with the active phase radar and obstacle and the binocular vision, it allows for up to 60 meters of obstacle detection. And moving down onto the FPV camera. So this FPV camera is a fisheye lens, and on the remote, you'll only see basically a portion of that lens. It's designed so you can pan through these lenses digitally, so that way there are no moving parts and less room for any sort of mechanical failure. And moving on to, these are the 75-watt light. It provides a lot of vision for night operations. And these two antennas right here, these are the SDR antennas. There's two in the front, as you can see here, and then there's going to be two in the back. Moving on more towards the middle of the drone, we have our battery. Battery is just a simple lift and pull, and it slides right out. And you can see these hefty pin designs is meant to kind of prevent any sort of damage from, let's say if a user kind of just drops the battery in. So we insert, and it's a simple, once you insert it, it's a simple just press in place and it locks in. Moving on to the tank, it is a 50-liter tank and can be upgraded to 60. And moving over to this side, under here, there are two impeller pump motors here, and there is a flow meter right here. All of these in conjunction work to pretty much monitor the output and control how much product you are spraying out. And in the back of the drone, so this is the other radar that I was talking about, again, for obstacle detection. And right here, under this cover, there is actually no cables. The only thing here is the other two SDR antennas that I mentioned earlier. If you come around to the front, so everything on this drone is located pretty much under this front cover. All the cables, modules, everything. And it's meant for more easier access if you need to swap out anything or adjust any cable or any sort of that. Now moving on to the very back, so these are the spray lances. They are centrifugal motors, so this is the motor right here and this is the disc. This disc spins and it creates a cone shape when you are spraying your product. And this module right here, this is a solenoid. It controls the output of the product. So it pretty much is just an open and close valve. Again, I'm Ryan with the Talos Tech team, and that is essentially the need to know components of the Talos T60X.